Hello everyone, we are in the main 2, the second level of hackthis.co.uk. Before we proceed, please do like, subscribe to my channel, okay, and please do share if you like this. Okay, the previous video we have seen and how we did crack the first level where the code was embedded itself in the HTML code as a comment, and as a security concern, we should never do that. And this is the second level, and we'll try to crack this level also. And let's see the hint. What does that say here? Just explained on the idea of the level 1 that the best place to start is always is the source code. So regarding source code, what's exposed, like when we talk about UI, like the web that has been exposed to us, the websites that has been exposed to us, so only there are very couple of things, very small things that's getting exposed to the client side, to the users, is your HTML codes, your any scripts or that is getting executed on the client side like JavaScript or VBS. And let's jump into the codes again back and see what is going on the back end. So what we'll do is inspect element. You can do the same showing if you want to see the source code directly, you can use control U for that reason, or if you're using a Mac it will be command U. So I'll be using the inspector tab here and resource tab here, already embedded with Chrome. And let's go here and we see resource for www.hackthisco.uk level 2. It's coming as blank. Let's refresh this page. It's taking a while. Okay, now we see codes here. Same you can also do is right click and view page source. It would open you in a new tab. That's give you a larger space to work and to find search and everything. Unlike to the previous chapter, let's do another thing here. Let's search for things like user name. That's my, and this is somewhere we'll see here in inspector the place. So let's go to element finder again, click on this, and here, so these field here, as last time we don't see any username or password getting embedded in the system saying as this is username and this is password in the previous chapter. But what I see is a small discrepancy here is color style, and there's something reus as a in the field of username, and the password ssap. Let's try this out, and if let's see if that tracks and does a job. I'll be just copy pasting these two here as a username and password. It's taking a while again. Voila. Let's we see that we were able to crack this also, and we have completed this level. Again, learning from here is the code was still embedded in the code itself that was exposed to the client side. And we learned from the last chapter also that we should not be doing it. Even though in this chapter it was not clearly mentioned as saying, okay, this is a username or this is a password. But yeah, you can always make a guess, like if that works out for you or something like that. Okay, so we have cracked level 2. We will move on to level 3 in our next video. Okay, if you like this video, please do subscribe, like and comment, and of course share the video. Thank you for watching.